I've never seen one with the thing on top.
Too bad.
What is that?
No, actually, let me.
Hello friends, it's your favorite Christmas elf.
You're not my favorite French YouTuber.
I am your favorite French YouTuber, but today, this is the one day a year that I am your favorite French elf. Lumpy, come here.
Come on, Yunya.
Oh, Lumpy's sitting in her bed. She doesn't want to join us today. I guess Lumpy doesn't want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and get a Merry Christmas from Kaz instead. But anyways, today we want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
No, it's not New Year yet. So every year, or almost every year, I kind of do a video on my main channel where we open presents early. Right now, it's the night of Christmas Eve and we want to open like present each. Only
All
one.
of them.
No! Then you won't have anything tomorrow. And we just went to
Grinch.
Target. Why am I the Grinch?
You don't want me to open my presents.
I didn't steal Christmas.
But you don't want me to open my presents.
I do want you to open your present, but
Damn,
tomorrow. So I had a lot more presents around the Christmas tree, but those are for my family and they came over already and we opened everything. Now basically all the presents here are for him. One of them is for me. This is for my friend. I haven't opened it yet. Okay, so we just went to Target tonight because he was like, oh, I forgot to get you stocking stuffers. And I was like, oh, I didn't get you stocking stuffers either. I completely forgot about stocking stuffers. I'm like, what are you even supposed to get a boy? It's very hard to get presents for him. It's like, you don't want anything. It's very hard to shop for him and it's very hard to get presents for him.
I'm a happy guy. I don't need much.
But yeah, so today we're gonna start out opening a stocking. We get to stick our hand in. You have to close your eyes, stick your hand in. You got one thing. No.
Yeah, wait, before you take mine off, see, the thing's poking out your sock.
It's sticking out, I see it.
No,
That's
she spoiled
not
it.
fair.
No, it doesn't fit in her stocking.
Baby, why would you get me this?
Because it's you.
Ew, it's so ugly.
He
got
a
me
Fortnite figure.
A Fortnite figure of Technique, because I
She got a fat
cosplayed
bottom
this.
Like you.
I cosplayed
I
her.
forgot you cosplayed.
Yeah, I thought
know
that's
used
why
to
you
use
got
that
her for
skin.
me.
Just take your stocking down and come
Okay,
sit
I'm
here.
gonna take it off and I'm gonna take yours off. By the way, I got these stockings from The Gallery a couple years ago. I think they have them every year, but I got them after Christmas and they were on sale and it was the last two.
Pro tips.
Take one out. You have to close your eyes, or you just pull out one. Just whatever.
Look! I like Jurassic World, Jurassic
He loves
Park.
Jurassic Park, and I
Candy
found Jurassic
dispenser.
Park candy.
Oh,
Look
it's
on
a
the
dinosaur
back.
head.
You can get one of these.
I want the T-Rex. I don't want
Show
the
everybody
Triceratops.
what you got. So you could get one of these, and it is a Jurassic Park candy dispenser. Again, it's very hard getting presents for him because I don't know what to get him because he doesn't like a lot of things. Oh,
I
look,
got the
which one is that one?
Dilophosaurus.
Which one is
baby.
that? Oh, you wanted the Indominus Rex, huh?
No, I want the T-Rex.
Oh, he likes the T-Rex.
I used to got a carnivore like me. You should didn't get a Triceratops. It's like those Pez things, I think.
I thought it was like the Pez things too, but what is this? It looked like that damn chapstick. Literally, the hole is so small, and these are like, you have to put them in one by one. It's like you can only do them one by one. Oh no! Entertain them while I fill this up with candy. It's not even like a candy dispenser. It's like it's just like a thing that you put candy in. Okay, I get to open something now. I feel socks.
No.
There's a can in here.
Why don't you take out the can?
There's a lot of things in here.
Take out the can.
It's Friskies, isn't it?
What?
You got me Fancy Feast. Why would you get baby? There's no cat in this house.
But you're a pussy. You're my pussycat
I
baby.
know.
You're my pussycat.
Because he calls me cat, pussycat.
She's my pussycat.
I'm his cat.
And I got her Fancy Feast.
And you got me
she
Fancy
likes
Feast.
Fancy Feast. This is a quality Christmas present.
It's quality, thank you. It's tender belly beef flavor.
And I know you like tender beef.
No, it's tender beef feast. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. Quality gift. Thanks for all
Can
you
I
dudes
open
out there.
another one?
Mm-hmm. Why don't you take out
Are
the candy?
we just opening up?
Yeah. Just open them.
You just got me candy so I can give it to you. Oh, so I can feed you. Baby! This is not candy!
Fancy Feast.
It's Fancy Feast!
It's
Candy.
Fancy Feast duos.
Look at this cat.
Because we're gonna duo on Fortnite.
Oh, really? That's
Yep.
my real present.
Comment below. Are these not quality Christmas presents? You can do another because I know you may not really like the Fancy Feast.
Oh, get the socks. I already knew. Oh, look, they're socks. Oh, they're cat socks! Look at these socks.
Cat socks for a pussycat.
The older you get, the more excited you are for socks for Christmas.
True.
Because you run out of socks so much.
Socks
Oh my
are
God,
actually
there's so
a
many of
really
them.
nice gift when you're
Yes.
older.
Yes.
Like, As a kid, I used to think that was dumb.
Yeah, you used to stop crying over socks, but now they're like really useful because you always need socks. We got the black sock, we got the striped sock, we got the meow sock, we got the other meow sock, we got the heart sock, we got the striped sock. There's so many socks.
So I got my hand in the stocking, and I have a bag of candy. I know what this is. I know the shape and I know the twisty top. It's the Hickory Farms mint. I know it. It's not mint, it's the little thing.
Actually, the other ones, because we already have the other ones.
Mini Meltoys. I want these now. This candy. Open this.
This boy's so bad. See, Hickory Farms, this is where he got his name. We call him Sausage. That's where he got his name from. Part of why we call him Sausage.
The other part is X-rated, so...
It's because he used to love the Hickory Farms sausages, you know, the ones that they have in the malls during the holidays. And they actually sell these. Oh, I can't open this. Oh! So these, smell that. These are like chocolate chip mints. I'm gonna have some more. Just a couple, you get like 3, 4.
I wanna open another one.
Are we just opening everything in the stocking right now?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do the presents for tomorrow.
This is like a lanyard or something? What is it?
Something you wanted. And they're suspenders.
Oh. I thought it'd be cool for me to wear suspenders.
They're not actually cool, but he thinks they're cool. I gotta adjust them. You're a little too thick for these.
Baby, I can't wear these right now. I don't have dress pants on.
You can't wear them because I can't even adjust them.
Yeah.
You look like a lumberjack. Next one for me. This is candy filled. This is cute. It's a Fortnite chest. This is actually really cute. I didn't see this one.
It was actually the last one left, so there's no way you could have seen it.
Yeah. Oh, it comes with guns. This chest sucks.
I don't like you.
I got a green pump. I didn't get any shields.
I'll give you a big shield.
Useless. Later. I'm gonna chop it for wood.
I could feel it. I know what this is. This is some Axe dealer.
No.
Old Spice.
No. Maybe.
Old Spice classic.
Put it on right now. It smells good. I want you to smell fresher. Come on again.
No.
Again.
No.
I want to smell you.
I want to open your thing.
Cause I like.
What's left in here?
I like going up to his pits and smelling them. Cause they always smell good. It looks like a dog on the camera. Look.
What?
Oh, it's a good doggy. Oh, it's such a good doggy.
Good dog.
Good dog. That's a nice doggy. He's watching us under the couch.
He knows we're faking this.
He's like, I'm watching you guys. I know it's not a real dog. Hey, Kaz, what's wrong with you? Huh?
He wants to go zoom.
Aww. What's wrong? Come here. Come on. Oh. What is this?
Stop feeling it. Stop feeling it. Just take it out. What to buy your millionaire girlfriend?
Baby, why would you get me this? I don't wear watches. Baby, this isn't even Michael Kors. I hate it.
Do you really hate it?
It's cute.
I'm just saying that so you don't look like a bitch.
Look at the watch I got him. A Batman Rolex for Christmas. And he gets me.
It's not even time out.
A $19.99 watch from Target. How could you do me like this? Ah! I would have just been happy with fuzzy socks, baby.
I'm sorry I didn't get you fuzzy socks.
He didn't get me fuzzy socks. What kind of boy doesn't get a girl fuzzy socks?
Had the pussycats on them.
I know they're cute, but they're ankle socks. And he hates ankle
I hate
socks.
ankle socks.
So he got so mad at me for getting ankle socks, and then he gets me ankle socks.
Why are you getting exposed to it?
I'm just gonna sit here and eat my fancy feast.
Close your eyes.
What?
Okay, no. Just wait for me to unzip my fly.
This is exciting.
Just wait for me to unzip my fly.
Did you wrap it up?
Hold on. No peeking.
I'm closing my eye. Hi, boy. Hi. I'm closing my eyes still.
You want to smell it?
Ew. Let me smell that. What is that?
It's probably like the stamp. Open
I
your eyes.
didn't get a... Baby.
The same.
Am I
This is
not
like the
opening the card?
instructions. This isn't a card. This is a warranty.
Look how nice it's packaged. You didn't show me. I broke it. Baby.
Don't shake it.
Baby.
I like it. It's pretty.
Baby,
good on
this
you.
is so nice. Oh my goodness, look. So I actually saw this bracelet and I tried it on. And I told him about it. I was like, I love this bracelet, but I don't know. Should I get it? Should I not get it? Ooh, the things move.
They actually like screw all the way around.
It's a screw bracelet.
The screw bracelet, because Scooby-Doo.
Screw me? Is that what you got for me? I'm not opening it. I thought I broke it for a second.
Oh, I thought you did too.
Oh no, I opened it though. So you just like pull it open? Oh, it's so pretty, baby. Thank you.
You had no idea I was taking the mints.
So nice, thank you, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Can I have a peppermint?
It's too fine.
No, you have to say you can have a peppermint.
You can have a peppermint.
That's too hot for me.
Ew.
You have to say, hey.
Hey.
I don't like the peppermint.
You don't like the peppermint.
It's too spicy.
I see who it is.
What is it?
It's Dummy Draw.
That's you.
A big Destiny fan.
So he loves Destiny, and I love Dominic. I don't know why he's so ugly. I hate him.
He's a bad boy like me.
He's a bad boy like you.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. But anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button in the face. Ow! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to
Wait. Open one more present.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Another one?
Close your eyes. Sniff.
Oh no, stop recording.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
Another one.
You can have a peppermint.
Baby, what is it? Baby, what is this? Is that the receipt?
Yeah, it's the receipt.
There is a whole other box in here. This one's smaller. Look. Oh, I got it off. Look, without breaking it. They're collectibles.
Sell it. What does it feel like? Oh, I broke it.
I got it off so good.
Ew. Ew.
That's too hot for me.
You know what? You should open it in front of the camera
Is this
before
the
looking
joke
at
one?
it. Maybe. Maybe there's nothing in it. Why don't you open it in front of the camera without you looking at what?
There's a reason you want to record this. I've never seen one with the thing on top.
Too bad.
What is that?
No, actually, let me. God damn it! Why is the box
No,
open?
baby, it's not what I think it is. No! This is the one I wanted really bad, and then I was like, I shouldn't. Oh my goodness, this is the diamond one. Baby, this is so nice. I just wanted this like really bad. I don't need it.
You don't.
It's too much. Uh-oh, it's stuck. Oh!
Okay. Why can't I do that hard?
Put it on me.
Okay, baby.
Did not fit me. Oh no. Oh,
Okay, wait. Which screw is that? And then you gotta lock it, otherwise it can fall off.
Thank you, baby. Anyways, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button in the face. And comment below what you got today, or what you're doing today, or tomorrow, or New Year's, or the rest of your life. And make sure you subscribe to join the Wolf Pack. Oh! I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
See you guys.